Stop by and take a look at the 2016 Kia Sorento. The Kia Sorento is a comfortable riding, powerful compact SUV loaded with impressive standard features. Take one look at its stylish, sleek design and you'll want to cross over to a Sorento. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, power liftgate, navigation system, anti-lock braking system, stability control, backup camera, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, cruise control, four-wheel disc brakes, keyless start, hard disk drive media storage, floor mats. Come see the car for yourself.